Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Mitch and I make videos about pretty much credit. So anyways, I'm not going to get into depth on my background, but if you're interested, just go to my website and read my About Me page. So anyways, in today's video, obviously by the thumbnail and by the title, you guys know what I'm going to be speaking about. And I truly recommend that you guys watch towards the end of the video because I'm going to throw you guys a little bonus and explain to you guys why this is worth it. So okay. So the website that to pay virtually any bill is called Plastic. So let me take you guys to the website and give me 1 second. Alright, so we're here on the website. It's called Plastic with a Q, guys, or Plastic. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. I really don't care. But just type it with a Q. Because a lot of people always get like, I can't find it. I'm like, did you put a Q? But anyways, alright, so it's very easy. Obviously, you have to create a username and password. So just create an account. It's for free. There's no, yeah. Anyways, so create a username and password. And the way this works is that you're just going to tell Plastic, whatever, who you want to pay. And then they pay whoever it is that you want to pay, but they charge your credit card first. And once they charge your once they have your money, then they pay, the light bill, your mortgage, whoever you want to pay. And here's why I'm going to be telling you guys the bonus and why is it that this is so worth it and why is it that it works. I do want to point out right away that they do charge a 2.5% fee, as you guys can see right here. But in my opinion, I think it's totally worth it, especially if I'm trying to meet the minimum spend on the credit cards and get the travel reward perks or or cashback points or whatever kind of program or credit card reward incentive that you're gonna get. It's worth it. And let me explain to you guys why. So for example, if let's say you apply hypothetically for the Chase Freedom card and they're gonna give you, or the Chase Sapphire, and they're gonna give you about $600 in cashback money just by spending $3,000 in 3 months. $3,000 in 3 months. So again, guys, 2.5% fee. Like for example, if I pay my mortgage is $2,200. $2,200, a 2.5% fee of $2,200. That's $45. Yes, I know I'm paying more, but let me explain to you guys. When I meet the minimum spend on my credit card that on the credit rewards that they're gonna reimburse me. If let's just say I meet the minimum spend that is $3,000, I spend $45 just to make my mortgage payment. $600 minus $45, I still profit $560 or $55. So in that scenario, I think it's totally worth it. Obviously, if you're just trying to use this website to pay your mortgage, which I don't know why you would, it's not worth it. Do you need to have there should be an incentive or a goal to use this service, because again, I see this as an investment. If I invest $45, by paying that 2.5% fee, but by meeting the minimum spend on my credit card, I'm gonna get $600. Or if I redeem it for travel rewards, it's actually gonna be $800, even $900, depending on the program and the credit card that you got at that time. So again, guys, don't let the 2.5% fee scare you, especially if you're trying to do manufacturer spending. This is a great method to kind of beat the banks and cash out on the money. And as soon as you meet the minimum spend, guess what? You don't need to use that credit card anymore. You just reap the benefits and move on to the next one. So again, guys, I hope this video helps. Again, I do want to point something out that before I close out this video, is that American Express is the only credit card that you can't pay your mortgage, you can't pay your light, you can't pay your gas, your water, etc. Your card payment. American Express is I don't know why. It's very hard to meet the minimum spend through Plastic though. But there's other, various methods to meet the minimum spend with American Express. I'm not even gonna touch into that subject right now because that's a whole different video for a different time. But for Visa, MasterCard, and Discover, if you're trying to meet the minimum spend, this is a perfect way, an easy way to invest your money and get money. So I hope I didn't confuse you guys. If you guys have any question about how this works, I'll show you guys how it works. Again, I know I try to explain it, but I know I'm not the best person to explain things. But if you just click the tab how it works here, just exactly how I explained to you guys. You tell them who you want to pay. Plastic charges your credit card, and then Plastic pays on your behalf. It's that simple. It's easy. A lot of people think this is a scam. People think that something so good, is a scam. And also another reason why I created this video is that I know that sometimes people fall into financial hardships. Emergencies do happen, and say you got a car accident and you don't have money. In this case, I think it's worth it to pay that 2.5% fee and use your credit cards. That's why people. That's what one of the main reasons you should have a credit card for rainy days or for emergency. Those are the two reasons that I recommend or even encourage anybody to use Plastic. If you have an emergency or financial hardship, use plastic to pay your mortgage or your car payment or whatever freaking bill that you need to pay. And also, if you're trying to meet the minimum spend and you're trying to get cash money back in your wallet or free travel perks, just go ahead and give this a try. I personally have used this service for about 1.5 years. I have no complaints. I tell them who I want to pay, and that's it. And I do want to point out, guys, that I'm not even going to put my referral link or my affiliated market whatever for me to get money back. It's honestly, I wanted to give you guys a sincere and honest review about this website and this service. Again, I don't win or get anything by providing this service to you guys, so please don't feel like, oh, if I use this website or whatever, I'm gonna benefit. Again, I'm not even putting my link, so feel free to check it out. Do more research on your own. I highly encourage you to do that. But again, if you're trying to meet the minimum spend and you're into credit card churning like I am, where I try to make as much money as I can from my credit cards, this is a perfect way to use to make money off your credit cards. So till next video, guys, I hope you guys learned something new. Please give me a thumbs up. It really helps me. And if you're into the credit game, subscribe. I'm gonna be providing more videos. And sometimes if I'm feeling in a good mood, I'll probably throw in some credit hacks. You just have to listen to me, because I have a lot of slip ups. Like when I'm with my friends and my family, I be throwing out like $3,000 worth of mentorship information that I paid, but it's just I don't think about it. I'm just so passionate about the subject that I'll start rambling around. So I might one day make a video, and I might throw golden nuggets here and there. You just have to listen, But anyways, I don't want to waste any more of your time. Again, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Till next time, guys.